This is Sam. He hates his job and needs a change to feel motivated and appreciated. If you feel just a little bit like Sam, please stay with me for new ideas. Now, let's get started. And as Arthur said, start where you are and do what you can, and do not forget that mistakes are proof you are trying. Did you know that media service providers like Netflix, Amazon, and so on use data science extensively? They measure user engagement, including when you pause or fast forward, what device you watch on, when you leave content, what day of the week and what time of the day you watch content, and so on. There is a great demand for professionals who can turn data analysis into a competitive advantage for their companies. Each year, there is more demand for data analysts and scientists than there are people with the right skills to fill those roles. So you can be the next one to be hired as a data scientist. Keep watching this video and you will get your answers for a fresh new start. Now, what skills do you need to become a data scientist? First, master at least one programming language. Second, gain database knowledge. Third, learn statistics. Fourth, gain some knowledge in machine learning algorithms. And fifth, do not forget about data visualization. Now, master at least one programming language like, for example, Python or R. Being able to write programs in these languages means that you can clean, analyze, and visualize large data sets more efficiently. So try to learn one of them at first. I personally prefer Python. It is very easy and fun to learn. Python has built-in libraries like, for example, NumPy and SciPy that are widely used in data science. Secondly, gain database knowledge, which is required to store and analyze data. You can start by learning SQL, which is the standard language used to communicate with databases. SQL knowledge will give you opportunity to update, organize, and query data stored in databases. The good thing is it is really easy to learn SQL. Third, learn statistics and mathematical analysis. In the beginning, math may sound scary, but believe me, it's just beginning. You don't need to have very deep knowledge in math, like for example, how the algorithms work. You just need to know the cases where you can apply those methods. With these skills, you will be better able to identify trends in data, avoid logical errors into your analysis, and produce good results. Gain some knowledge in machine learning algorithms such as regressions, K-means clustering, KNN, and decision tree algorithms, to name a few. You don't need to wait until you master all of these steps. You can just start learning by doing. Take some easy projects and try what you have already learned. Here are some tips for that. Set aside time every day to work on your skills. Practice with real data projects. Learn from your mistakes and build your skills step by step. So do not forget to subscribe to get more videos on data science and machine learning.